Hello and welcome to tutorial for your channel. In this video I will write a program to print Fibonacci series. So what is Fibonacci series? In Fibonacci series, next number is the sum of previous two numbers. The first two numbers of Fibonacci series are 0 and 1. For example, this is a diagram of a Fibonacci series look like. By default, the first two numbers are 0 and 1. Alright. Then there will be 1. And if we add this 1 and 1, we will get 2. So in Fibonacci series, the previous two number will be added and the sum of that previous two number will be the third number. So let's see. So if we add 1 and 2, the third number will be 3. If we add 2 and 3, it will be 5. 3 and 5, it will be 8. 5 and 8, it will be 13, and it will keep on going. So this is what Fibonacci series is all about. Let's see this in action in our console application. Enter the number of elements. So in case if user enter 10, we will see the Fibonacci series up to 10 numbers: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. This is up to 10 number, and every single time it is adding the previous two number. Let's suppose if we say 13 plus 21 gives us 34. 8 plus 13 gives us 21. So it is adding the previous numbers. To make this program, we need 5 variables of integer and one for loop. Let's see the coding. So first we will make integer I, which we will use in our for loop. Num is the number which user have entered, and A, B, C will be used in the calculation of this Fibonacci series. By default, A is 0 and B is 1. As discussed before, the Fibonacci series has 0 and 1 by default. Then we are just printing this line, enter the number of elements, as you can see in the console application. Then we are taking the input of the user console.read line and converting it into integer and storing it in num variable. Then we are just printing console.write line A space then B, which we already discussed. A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1. This will print 0 space 1 in the results, since we know that the Fibonacci series start from 0 and 1 by default. Then we have a for loop, and here we are using I variable. We are starting our for loop with 2 and ending it with the number which user have provided. Like if user has provided 10, it will run till 9, as it said it should be less than the num which user has provided. So it is starting from 2 and ending on 9. So this loop will run 8 times. Alright. Then we have C is equal to A plus B. Since our C is null and A is 0 and B is 1, C will become 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. So our C will become 1, and then we are just printing the C. So first we printed 0, 1, and then we printed 1 more time. So now our result will become 0, 1, 1. And after this is what is our formula. A is equal to B. Initial value of A is 0 and initial value of B is 1. So A is equal to B, that means A is equal to 1. Then we have B is equal to C. We plus A and B, which was initially 0 and 1, it makes C has 1. And if we put this B is equal to C, then our B will become 1. And then this loop will run one more time. So now our A is equal to 1 and our B is also equal to 1. So when this loop will run one more time, then A plus 1 will be 1 plus 1. That gives us C. And then we will print C, which will make our result 0, 1, 1, 2. And then A is equal to B, which is 1. So A will become 1. And B is equal to C, which is now 2. So B will become 2. Now then if next time this will run again, then A plus B will be 1 plus 2, that gives us 3, and then we will print 3 here. So our result will become 0, 1, 1, 2 and 3. So this loop will keep on running 8 times. We already have printed 0 and 1 before, so 0 and 1 and 8 times it will print numbers, so that makes a total of 10. So if the user enter 10, it will print 10 numbers. If user enter 5, it will print 5 numbers. So let's run the program one more time. So enter the number of element, we enter 15. That means our loop will run 13 times and we already will be printing 0 and 1 before. So that makes it 15. So here it is, the Fibonacci series. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.